How to fix Bluetooth couldn't connect error on Windows 11 or 10. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is head over to the menu. In here, you have to head over to Settings. Once you're inside the settings, what you want to do is head over to Windows Update over here. It will land you on this page. If there is any update of Bluetooth, then it will be available in this page. If not, then you are all good to go. You can also click on Check for Updates at the top right corner of the screen and check whether there is any update of Bluetooth. Once you have checked the updates, and if the updates is not available, then the next thing you want to do is go back to your home page and then right click on this menu. In here, head over to Device Manager. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this page, the option of Bluetooth Device Personal Area Network will be visible to you. What you want to do is right click on this option. If the updates is available, then you have to click on Update Driver and you have to make sure that it is up to date. Even after updating, you are facing the issue, then what you want to do is you have to uninstall this driver and then reinstall it again. Reinstalling will definitely fix the issue and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Bluetooth couldn't connect error on Windows 11 or 10. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.